Had a run of fine weather this week, but with high pressure clearing off to the east, we could be in store for some different conditions over the next few days. I'll have all the weather details later in the programme.
Anyway, time for the weather now. And Lily, it started off quite gloomy this morning, but then brightened up.
Yeah, exactly. There was a fair amount of cloud around for all of us, really, but it did break up quite readily. And actually, when we look on the satellite, we can see, especially for Jersey, sort of by midday-ish, we went into the sunshine, whereas by France here, whereas Alderney was right in the channel, the flow of this cloud that was filtering through. So that's why Alderney stayed a little bit cloudy for a little bit longer. But all of us had some sunshine in the end today, and that led to some lovely, it isn't all that warm.
Yeah, well, that weather sums it up, doesn't it? That picture sums it up, rather, just how wonderful it's been. So you can't imagine anyone wanting to disappear to sunny climes, but some people, of course, do head off about this time of the year, don't they?
Yes, for the Easter holidays, maybe. Some people might be jetting off, so I thought I'd do a little bit of a preview of what the situation is across Europe. And actually, but tomorrow, we could have highs of 18 degrees, and that would put us in line with places like Nice and like Venice as well. So not doing too badly, but of course, if you are going on holiday, it all depends where you're headed, because notice there is some stormier conditions over there.
So great conditions for many, but perhaps not farmers. Just how dry has it been?
Yeah, for us it has been dry over the past few days and weeks, and actually so far this month not a lot of rain so far, whereas ordinarily by this time in the month we might be expecting closer to 19 millimetres if we were going on the climate averages. So as I said, possibly not the best weather for ducks who like the rain, but we're going to end on some more duck pics on the weather now. Here's the details. Well, it was a little bit on the cloudy side this morning, and especially for those of you watching in Alderney, that cloud did take a little while longer to clear off, but then we did have some brighter weather and some blue skies as we made our way throughout the day. As we head into tomorrow, there is the chance that we could see some early mist patches first thing around dawn, but that isn't expected to last long. If it does arrive, it will burn off pretty quickly with lots of sunshine and blue skies once again. It could well be the last blue sky day for a little while, with high pressure moving off over the next few days, being replaced by low pressure systems. But tomorrow it will be feeling pleasant. We've got mild conditions, so warmer than today, and the wind's a bit lighter as well, so feeling nice in the sun. Back to you this evening then, and we are expecting some clear periods, perhaps a bit of cloud coming and going. The winds generally moderate, still coming in from the northeast, and as we approach dawn there's the chance of some mist patches starting to make an appearance, with minimum temperatures of around 7 to 8 degrees. So I mentioned if we do see that mist, it will just be first thing, and it should clear off fairly rapidly to give us another day with lots of sunshine, with blue skies, and the winds a touch calmer as well tomorrow, like force 3 to moderate force 4, so feeling pleasant in the sunshine, plus our temperatures are up a little bit as well, with highs of 18 degrees, so warmer than average for the time of year, with a dry day in store. Let's get our times of high water then, between 6:30 and 7:30 in the morning, later on between 7 and 8 p.m, with the sea temperature now at 10.5 degrees. So moving through the week, as I said, high pressure is clearing off, so some possible showers on Saturday, and this cold front moving through on Sunday. That will then give us some more westerly winds, and we are expecting perhaps a bit more of that cloud in the forecast as we head into the weekend. So make the most of tomorrow with lots of sunshine, as it is going to be turning more changeable into next week.